Hello everyone. So in this video we'll see stocks for tomorrow, 28th May, Friday. So the first stock is Polycab. Polycab we have to buy above 1700 and stop loss we'll check intraday chart. But this stock is closed very near to the breakout level, so it may open gap up or give breakout in first 5 minutes. So in that case, you just wait for first 5 minute candle, and whenever stock breaks higher first 5 minute candle, you can take position. But remember, we will use stop loss of that 5 minute candle, so that candle should not be very big. Then we have AU Bank. AU Bank will buy above 1002. Then we have Bharat Forge. Bharat Forge you can buy above 690. Stop loss will be 682. I personally trade FNO stocks very less. So you can see if you pattern is good, but these stocks gives 1-2% move. So try to book once they move 1%. At least you can book partially some quantity and then you can trail at cost. Then we have Chola Holding. Chola Holding we can buy above 665, and if you check this is a very long term breakout. So if you want to add this for positional, you can add it small quantity in dips, and final stop loss you can keep around 550. You can buy for swing also if it breaks this I665. Then we have consigner. Consigner is in a range. This upper is zone is resistance. This one is support, taken multiple times support and multiple rejection. We can buy this above 603, and if it closes below 600, you can carry for swing as well. We may get target around 640 to 670. Then we have ILCP. ILCP will buy above 680. The next is Root Mobile. This pattern is not very good, but it may work for intraday scalping. We can buy this above 60 1781 or 1785. Okay, you can buy this above 1785. We'll keep stop loss around 1765. Then we have VGuard. VGuard today also has given good move, and you can buy above 266, and I have taken this for positional as well, as this has given a very good breakout. So you can also add this stock and dips, and if it closes somewhere around this region 2-3 days for daily red candle, you can exit based on the chart structure. You can see this has given a very good breakout. Then we have cash stocks, which is KPR mill. Not a very good pattern, but we can use this for scalping kind of trade. We'll buy above 1631 and we'll keep stop loss around 1600. Then we have CDSL. CDSL we can buy above 905 and we'll keep stop loss around 892. Entertainment Network Limited, today it opened, means opened and high, what we call it, open equal to high. So the first 5 minute candle already start falling. We can buy this above 195. I think pattern is still good and volume is also less in today's fall. Let's see if it breaks high, we can take this for swing and intra both. RK Forge, today it didn't move, it was just moving in a small range. So you can buy above now today's high 675. Keep stop loss around 660 for intraday, and for swing you have to keep stop loss below 600. Then we have Borosil. Borosil if gives breakout we can buy above 254. Home First you can buy above 575 now. I already taken position here 541. So if it gives breakout here after 2-3 days, if some consolidation, then it is very good, but still you can take risk above 575. And then we have Salvi. Salvi we can buy above 175, and Globus Spirit. Globus Spirit we can buy above 355. buy above. Okay, so this we can buy above 355, and Snowman we can buy above 58. We can buy this for swing also and intraday. The pattern looks good. It is trying to break this range multiple times. And Theme Industry, this also we can buy above 720 in intraday. Plus this has given a very good breakout on longer time frame, so you can buy this for positional as well if you want. Then we have net parox. So this national peroxide this also has given a breakout, and now it is doing retesting of that breakout, and today it again broken a small range. So if you want to add, you can add this also for positional, and we will keep stop loss around somewhere around 2200 if it closes below. Then we have Rupa. This Rupa we can buy above 382.83. This also has given very long term breakout, so this also looks good for swing position, but it's very volatile stock. Buy quantity accordingly, and in intraday also we can buy above 383. So this Rupa and Theme Industry we can buy in intra also, and for positional also looking good. UVL you just keep in radar if it breaks. Today TVS Motors failed, similar pattern. So I trade very less FNO stocks. So this is for today. Thank you guys.